Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air. You have to start by open application. Now click on ambient control and as you can see I choose already ANC mode, but you can click on it or press 2 times on your left earbud. Sometimes it doesn't work, this pressing, but it's okay. Yeah, now when you choose ANC mode, you can control a level of it. So if you don't need so much, you can move to the left and just lower this level. But I need max, so I just move to the right and choose max. The same with ambient mode or Sensemore mode, it depends what you're choosing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.